Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word pharmaceutical. I feel like this is a very relevant and current word if you are reading the news in any country in the world right now, given the COVID thing. So here we go. Pharmaceutical, 5 syllables. And this is a fun word because it's got 2 word stresses in it. Because of the length of the word, we get a primary and a secondary stress. So phar is the secondary stress, and that's indicated by the lower mark. And then su is the primary stress, indicated by the mark at the top. So su is the strong bit. Phar is a little bit strong, and the other 3 syllables need to be weaker in order for you to create that kind of roller coaster effect with this word. So we begin with the phar, and those 2 little triangular symbols tell us that this is a long vowel, r, phar. M, so m, we need to bring the lips together, have a bit of vibration in the nose, and then finish that syllable with a weak schwa, m, m. Su, so we've got the s, not voiced, just the air hissing out. Su with the long vowel. T, nice short vowel there. T. Kul. Now it's a teeny tiny schwa, which means it's really faint. It's just a hint of a schwa. So running that through together, remember double stress. Pharmaceutical. Repeat after me. Pharmaceutical. Pharmaceutical. For me personally, I think there are several issues that I've encountered with students with this word. I think the thing that I see the most is a little bit of confusion around the middle of the word with the ACEU part. I've heard various attempts to pronounce that in sometimes quite really difficult ways. Sue, just think like the woman's name, Sue. Pharmaceutical, that's the tip today. Sue works in pharmaceuticals. So if you want to support the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you check out the homepage, you'll find lots of other resources to help you with your English. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.